This is an urgent warning. As Supreme Military Commander, I have just declared a state of emergency. The shit has just hit the fan, and you have to act quickly if you want to survive. You must go to rulethewasteland.com and stock up on important gear that could save your life in the coming apocalypse. Like the Rule the Wasteland Survival Fishing Kit, the best survival fishing kit on the market, with more of the supplies you need to procure food in an emergency, stored in an easily transportable, watertight tin. Don't waste time. Go to rulethewasteland.com now. I wish you the best of luck in the challenging times ahead. This channel will now be going offline.